Good afternoon. Thank you for calling the Grandview Hotel. How may I assist you today?
Hi, I'd like to book a room for next weekend, please. I'll be visiting for a short vacation and I'm looking for something comfortable and relaxing.
Of course. May I have the dates of your stay?
Yes, I'll be checking in on Friday, November 15th and checking out on Sunday, November 17th.
Wonderful. How many guests will be staying?
It'll be just me and my sister. We're planning to explore the city and spend some time by the beach.
That sounds like a lovely weekend. Would you prefer a single queen room or a double room with 2 separate beds?
A double room with 2 beds would be perfect, please. Does it include breakfast?
Yes, breakfast is included in all our standard and premium packages. We offer a full buffet from 7 to 10 a.m. with hot and cold options, eggs, pancakes, fruit, and coffee.
That sounds delicious. What's the price per night?
For the double room, it's $165 per night, including taxes and breakfast. If you prefer a premium room with an ocean view, it would be $195 per night.
Could you tell me what's included in the premium room?
Certainly. The premium room has a private balcony facing the ocean, a larger bathroom with a bathtub, complimentary bottled water, and free access to the rooftop pool and fitness center.
That sounds amazing. I think we'll go with the premium room. It'll be nice to relax with a sea view.
Great choice. Let me check availability. Yes, we have one premium double room available for those dates on the 5th floor.
Perfect, I'll take it.
Excellent. May I have your full name, please?
Sure, it's Anna Williams.
Thank you, Ms. Williams. May I also have your email address to send the booking confirmation?
Of course, it's annawilliams@email.com.
Great. I'll send the confirmation to that address. To secure the booking, we do need a credit card on file. You can provide the number by phone, or I can send a secure payment link to your email so you can enter the card details yourself.
I'd prefer the secure payment link, please. I'm more comfortable entering my information myself.
That's a good choice. I'll send the secure payment link to the email you provided. After you complete the payment, the reservation will be guaranteed and you'll receive a confirmation receipt by email.
Perfect. How long will the link stay active?
The link will remain active for 24 hours. If you need more time, just call us and we'll extend it for you.
Thank you. I'll complete it right now.
Wonderful. While you do that, is there anything else I can help with? Do you need airport pickup or information about parking?
Yes, please. I'd like to arrange an airport pickup.
We have a shuttle service from the airport for $30 per trip. Would you like to reserve a pickup?
Yes, please. Our flight is scheduled to arrive at 2:15 p.m.
Perfect. We'll have our driver waiting for you in the arrival area with a sign that says Grandview Hotel. Can I have your flight number?
Yes, it's Delta 247 from Orlando.
Noted. Is there any special request or dietary preference we should know about?
Yes, my sister is vegetarian, so if possible, could you note that for breakfast?
Certainly. I'll make sure the kitchen staff is informed. We have vegetarian options available every morning.
Wonderful. Also, does the hotel have a restaurant for dinner?
Yes, our restaurant Ocean Breeze serves both local and international dishes. It's open from 6 to 10 p.m., and hotel guests receive a 10% discount on meals.
That's great. Do we need to make reservations in advance?
Usually not, but on weekends it can get busy, so I'd recommend calling the front desk once you check in.
Got it. Thank you for the tip. Oh, one more question. Does the hotel have Wi-Fi in the rooms?
Yes, of course. We provide free high-speed Wi-Fi throughout the hotel, including the rooms, lobby, and restaurant.
Perfect. I'll need that for some work emails. Also, is there parking available for guests?
Yes, we offer free parking for all hotel guests. You'll just need to register your vehicle at check-in.
Excellent. It really sounds like everything we need. I'm so glad I called.
We're happy to have you, Ms. Williams. I've just sent the confirmation email to you, including your reservation number, room details, and shuttle pickup information.
Let me check. Yes, I see it. Everything looks correct. Thank you so much for your help. You've been amazing.
You're very welcome. We look forward to hosting you and your sister soon. Have a safe trip, and we'll see you next weekend.
Thanks again. I'm really excited to stay there. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Ms. Williams, and have a wonderful day.